Howdy, this is Dr. Astronomy from Homeless Astronomy, and as promised, I'm going to bring you some astronomy shot in the field. Now, I had planned on coming here and going to the middle of the baseball field where it's nice and clear and dark, but obviously it is already in use. So I'll go over here and try and avoid my little reptilian friends and do some shooting from the other side of the park. I probably shouldn't be over here, but I really wanted a picture of this sign. Well, look, there's one over there sitting on the bank. Don't eat me while I'm down here filming astronomy, buddy. All right, here we are by the picnic area at Holder Park, right next to the pond. So I haven't thought at all about what I'm going to get yet. Sun's just going down. So let's pick out a couple stars to work on. Let's do a real quick overview of the regular one so you can see where I'm at. We're looking to the west. Sirius, Betelgeuse, Jupiter, and Capella. Okay, I found us a couple objects in the sky we can take a look at. Both are in Orion. Both are very prominent in Orion. We have Rigel on the bottom and Betelgeuse on the top. Let's take a look at them in the star chart. Let's start off with Rigel on the bottom. And there in the star chart we have Rigel at 250 degrees. Now that we got a decent bead on Rigel, let's take a look at it in my Decovir telescope. And there we have Rigel, pretty bright white star. Blow it up a little bit. Let's blow it up and make it really bright white star. Cool. And finally, let's track Rigel across the sky and have words about it. Rigel, also known as Beta Orionis, is the brightest star in the constellation of Orion. It is a blue-white supergiant star and is part of a multiple star system. Rigel is located about 864 light years from Earth. Now let's move along to Betelgeuse. Betelgeuse is going to be straight up above Rigel at the top of Orion. Let's take a look at it in the star chart. And there we have Betelgeuse in the constellation of Orion at 258 degrees. And now that we have located Betelgeuse, let's take a look at it in my Decovir telescope. And there we have Betelgeuse, red giant star in Orion, fixing to go supernova and ruin everybody's day. See how big and orange and red it is? And finally, let's track it across the sky and have words about it. Betelgeuse is a red supergiant star located in the constellation Orion. It's a variable star, meaning its brightness fluctuates, and it happens to be one of the brightest stars in the night sky. Betelgeuse is currently in the final stages of its life and will eventually explode as a supernova. And there we have Rigel and Betelgeuse in Orion. I know I've done it before. I know it wasn't that long ago, but you know, they're very prominent stars, and you learn by recognition and by repetition. So there you go, 2 more. I'll get on the next 2. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something from this one. Catch you later.